guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. In today's video we're doing another hairstyle, and this is a high puff. This is a quick and easy hairstyle, so yeah, this is an old twist out from my previous video. If you haven't checked it out yet, make sure you go check it out now. I'm waiting. Make sure you go check it out. So yeah, let's begin. And for this hairstyle I'm using the Eco Styler gel. This is my favorite Eco Styler gel because it has a hold of 10 and it holds my hair very well. And for my edges I will be using this red one, Aqua Wax. We're gonna spice it up with some hair color spray, and I'm using this one. Actually, I got two. I wanted to try these out because these two from influencer, and if you want me to make a video about influencer, just comment down below where you can win free products. So I'm going to test these out, and I'm going to use the purple one.